This is the video introduction to Experiment 13, Build an Automatic Nightlight Circuit, in the Mr. Circuit Basic Electronics Lab 1. This circuit is primarily based on the properties of a photocell, also known as a light-sensitive resistor. In this circuit, we use an NPN transistor to increase the amount of current flowing in the circuit to be able to light up the two bright red LEDs. The photocell is in the circuit to do what we call forward bias the transistor. When the transistor is forward biased, it will conduct current and the LEDs will light up. Let's look at the schematic diagram. You can see that there are two LEDs in series with a 47 ohm resistor. Then notice that the transistor is also in the circuit with the LEDs. As you can see from the schematic diagram, when the transistor conducts current, so do the LEDs. Next, look at the potentiometer. It's in the circuit with the photocell. In this situation, the potentiometer adjusts the sensitivity of the circuit. The 16K ohm resistor is designed into the circuit to give the minimum level of sensitivity. Here are the steps I suggest you use in assembling this circuit. Step 1. Lay out all the parts you will need for the circuit in front of you. Be sure you have all the necessary parts to build the circuit before you start. Step 2. Install the two LEDs, being careful to put the short and long leads into the correct holes. Step 3. Install the two resistors, 47 ohm and 16K ohm. Step 4. Install the transistor with the flat side in the correct direction. Then install the photocell. Step 5. Install the potentiometer. Use the correct leads of the potentiometer as shown in the pictorial. Step 6. Install the three jumper wires in their correct places on the circuit board. Now I will demonstrate the circuit in action. Here's the automatic nightlight circuit put together very carefully and connected to a battery. You can see I've got the transistor, the jumper wires, the LEDs, and I've adjusted it very sensitive. You notice that even when I move the pen over it, it turns on, right? I can adjust the potentiometer to where it's not as sensitive as that, and the pin will go across and nothing will happen. So you can adjust it to how dark you want it before the lights come on. And so you can see how that would work. And you can adjust it to it's really sensitive. All right, get your parts, put it together, see if you got the same results that I did.